H&M collaborated with Moschino, and 8th of November they launched their collection and everybody ran to the shops to buy these clothes, especially Disney characters featured t-shirts and sweatshirts. Everybody, but not me, because I have black t-shirt, I have fabric paints, and I want to create something more beautiful for myself. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and this is the new video of the project Artist vs Brand, in which I create hand-painted clothes inspired by the world's famous brands and their most popular prints. And the most popular print of the brand Moschino at this November is definitely Disney characters print, as they collaborated with H&M and Disney to create this pop culture 19th inspired collection. And of course, I won't paint the same design, as I don't want to be the same like all these millions people who bought these t-shirts and sweatshirts, but I want to be one and only. So I'll create very meaningful and very creative Disney t-shirt for myself. Let's begin! So I'll paint a Mickey Mouse, and as the Moschino collection is all about music, I will paint the Mickey Mouse as a DJ, and I want to paint him as a modern time DJ. And as always, first I will sketch the Mickey Mouse on the t-shirt with a white fabric paint, and actually I created the sketch on the paper too, but I don't want to show you because I don't want you to understand the idea of the design now. And actually, by painting this Mickey Mouse, I'm breaking my rule to don't paint anything trendy on the clothes, and I will explain you now why I have this rule. First of all, I understand why Moschino decided to collaborate with Disney for this H&M collection, because everybody loves Disney, everybody knows Disney. It's much more easy to sell to the people clothes with Disney characters. Same is for me, it's for an artist. Many people would love to pay me money to get the Spider-Man painted on their jacket or Mickey Mouse painted on their t-shirts, but if I will paint all these trendy things, I won't be able to create original artworks, and I won't have a time to grow a YouTube channel, to create a community, to make the art of the hand-painted clothing popular. Yes, I have a big ambition, so that's why I don't accept custom orders for these trendy things. And this Mickey Mouse t-shirt I paint for myself, and it's not for sale. While I'm painting this design, I'm often looking to the image of the Mickey Mouse. Yeah, there are not so much art in this t-shirt because I just copied the image of the Mickey Mouse. But anyway, I have beautiful feeling while I'm painting this t-shirt, the feeling like back to the childhood. And by the way, this t-shirt will be very meaningful for me, so I guess it will be one of my favorites. The reason why I don't want to buy this Disney, Moschino and H&M collaboration clothes is because they are printed. And actually I don't like printed clothes anymore. When I look to the printed clothes, I think like, okay, this print is fun, but I can buy some basic t-shirt or sweatshirt or hoodie, I can paint on them, I can make them much more beautiful, much more unique, much more creative. So why I will spend my money to the printed clothes? Yeah, I guess that soon all my clothes will be hand painted and there won't be any printed clothes in my closet. And one of the reasons why I created this YouTube channel is that more artists will be into painting on clothes, more people will customize their clothes with fabric paints, so more people will understand the value of the hand-painted clothes, and I hope that art fashion will become popular. And now I'll paint the table of the DJ and the controller, and I use big flat brush, and I make the brush strokes with the purple, blue, yellow, green colors. I will use silver color for the nose because I want them shine. Now I'll paint the laser lights, which we can often see on the DJ performances, so this way design will look so artistic. and just one more little and the most important detail of the whole design. So was it the right decision for me to don't run to the H&M store for the Disney Moschino t-shirt and to create my own Disney t-shirt with my favorite DJ? Write me your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video and this t-shirt, hit the like button, and if you are new in here, subscribe to my channel because many videos for the project Artist vs Brand are coming soon. See you, bye bye!